In this video, we are going to see how to fix Roblox Error 1016. If you're trying to access Roblox and you're seeing Error 1016 Origin DNS Error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple things you can try to get Roblox working again. Let's get straight into the steps. First, check the Roblox website address you're using. Make sure you're accessing the official Roblox website and not an incorrect or outdated address. If you accidentally entered the wrong URL, replace it with the official Roblox website address and press Enter. If the website loads normally, then the problem was simply the address you were using. If you're still seeing Error 1016, the next thing to try is clearing your browser's cached Roblox data. If you're using Google Chrome, open the browser settings and go to Privacy and Security. Select the option for Cookies and Site Data, then find the stored data for Roblox and remove it. After deleting the Roblox site data, close the settings and reload the Roblox website. If the error is still appearing, let's refresh your computer's DNS cache. Press the Windows search button and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. When the command prompt window opens, enter ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. Windows should display a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Once that's done, close Command Prompt and reopen your browser. Go back to Roblox and refresh the page. If you're still getting Error 1016, try accessing Roblox through the official Roblox application instead of the website. Sometimes the website can have connection or DNS-related problems while the application continues to work normally. You can also restart your router or switch temporarily to another network, such as a mobile hotspot, to determine whether the problem is related to your current internet connection. So, to quickly recap, check the official Roblox website address, clear Roblox's browser data, flush your DNS cache, restart your connection, and try the official Roblox app if necessary. If the problem is caused by a Roblox side outage or DNS issue, you may simply need to wait until the service is restored. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Roblox troubleshooting tutorials.